Hi friends, hope you're having a marvelous Monday. Today's book is going to be another Little Blue Truck book. I really like Little Blue Truck. This one is Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. Same author and same illustrator as before. The author is Alice Schertle, and Alice wrote the words. And the illustrator is Jill McElmurray, and Jill drew the pictures. I apologize if I read their names wrong, but that's Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. Last time we read about Little Blue Truck was out by a farm. There were lots of farm animals, and Little Blue Truck got stuck in the mud, helping out a bigger truck. Look at where Little Blue Truck is now. Where do you think Little Blue Truck is? In a city? Yeah, there's lots of cars around Little Blue Truck right now. Let's read and find out what happens to Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Towering buildings scraped the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Zoom, roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with big red letters. Riders are us. A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud! I'm first, you're last. They're not very nice. Whee! Went a siren. Coming through! Busy police car, things to do. Swish, swash, swoosh, went a big street sweeper, hollering, Hey, better move, little beeper. Poor Little Blue Truck. Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got his honor, the mayor, inside. It's important. Move aside. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. It's a traffic jam. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough, and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? Everybody watching gave a shout when the doors swung open and the mayor stepped out. His honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck. This good advice from a Little Blue Truck. One at a time is what we'll do, so single file, folks, follow Blue. The mayor is having everybody follow Blue. Told everybody to take turns. Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums, and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue, and everyone waved to Little Blue. They clapped their hands and yelled, "Hooray!" for the little blue truck who led the way. Yay for Little Blue. The end. So in the end, they took turns and they waited patiently, and it went so much better. It's a good thing to remember in life. Take turns, share, be nice, that kind of stuff. Hope you had a marvelous Monday, and I hope you enjoyed this book. I always enjoy Little Blue Truck. Have a wonderful day, friends, and remember, I am smart, I am strong, and I can be anything I try to be. I think I'm going to try to be more like Little Blue Truck. Have a great day, friends. Bye. Miss you much.